Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see, we are going to be going over my reset for the month of February. And just to kind of, if you are new here, usually what I do for the beginning of the month is I do a budget overview where I'm just looking at what I have coming up in the upcoming month. I am a paycheck to paycheck budgeter, which basically means that I budget every paycheck. And instead of doing a full month budget, because it is very overwhelming for me, I have found much success in just doing paycheck to paycheck budgeting and doing a monthly overview, so I know what bills will be included in what paycheck and pretty much what I need to do as it relates to my income. Do I need to bring in more money? Do I need to hustle more? Just kind of looking at everything from an overview perspective, and that has worked well for me. So if you are someone who gets very overwhelmed by looking at all the numbers, I would suggest that you do an overview and paycheck to paycheck budget as opposed to trying to budget everything all at once. All right, so I've already laid everything out. Let's go ahead and talk about it. Now, the way that I budgeted last year and the year before that, I'm pretty much going to be budgeting the same. The only thing that's going to be a little bit different is I want to be more intentional about putting on my calendar any type of entertainment or anything that I'm going to be doing that may possibly cause money, anything that's going to be involved, because I want to make sure that I'm putting that in my budget. However, I am going to be budgeting a little bit different for entertainment, so make sure that you stay tuned for my paycheck to paycheck budget so that you can see how I'm doing it, which makes it a lot easier and not as detailed, and it's not as stressful. So just stay tuned for that. But let's go over the month of February. So my paydays are a little bit different than what they were before. Before, I have always been paid every other Friday. I have never been paid on a certain day. And if I was so long ago in my working career. But for this particular job, I am paid on certain days of the month. I'm paid on the last day of the month and the 15th of the month, which is very, very, very different for me. So it's gonna take some getting used to, but it's all right. So I have listed my paydays here. Now, because the 15th falls on a Sunday, I'm assuming I may be paid on that Friday or that Saturday. I really don't know how that goes. So I will be figuring out, at some point I'll be paid within this weekend. And then for the last day of the month, it falls on a Saturday. So I'm assuming that I'll be paid on the 27th. So we'll see. Now, as far as my bills are concerned, you may have noticed, if you watch my previous video where I wrote down all of my bills, you may have noticed that this list got a lot longer than what it was before. And that is because I forgot to put my debt in here. I haven't had a list this long in years, but I do have some debt in here that I needed to include because those bills are due every single month. And I think I even missed one. I now have pest control, and I need to put that on here as well. But yeah, so this is definitely a lot longer. So your girl got bills on bills on bills. So I'm definitely going to be working to decreasing this amount going out. And I know that I will be able to do it. So what I have here highlighted in pink, all of this will be taken care of by the paycheck that I'm getting at the end of this month in January. It'll take care of mortgage, HOA, SiriusXM, my credit card, internet cable, my security, my electric bill, and my Citibank credit card. the way that I use them is I pay for everything on my credit card and then I pay off my credit card. So if you have been here on this journey and this is not your first video, then you pretty much know how I manage that way, and that's how I've been able to work on my credit and improve my borrowing power and improve my credit score. So I now understand how to use it. I have discipline, and so that is why I put everything on my credit card. Now, from when I was laid off, I was using my credit card because I just did not have any other choice. That was a part of my strategy. So I'm going to be working on paying those off, but just FYI, that's why some of these credit cards are here, and they will no longer be here very soon because they will be paid off. But going back to this, so this credit card may be paid with I may just pay it early because I don't want to say that this will be paid with this paycheck when I don't know when I'm getting that paycheck. So keeping with bills only, going down to the 15th, my life insurance and my tax bills will be paid with this paycheck that I get on the 15th. Visa, Macy's, and car insurance will be paid with this paycheck. And then I have another credit card and a loan. Those will be paid with this paycheck. And then that's it. So it's not that much coming out for this this paycheck. But the way that I have or pay my bills is I do have a bill account where I have money just in there to pay my bills, and everything comfortably comes in and out of that account, and it works very well for me. So that's as it relates to my bills. Now, my activities or my entertainment, my granddaughter, her birthday is coming up, so really excited about her birthday. And we will be celebrating her, so I will have to have money allocated for this, a budget for that. And then on Valentine's Day, I know that I'm going to the movies, like an outdoor movie kind of thing, and I will be doing that. I don't think that I have anything else really planned as of now, but my budgets are living, breathing documents, which basically means that I can come in and add or take out as I need to, okay? So I want you to be flexible in that way as well. Sometimes the way things start and the way that you plan them to go, it doesn't really go that way, but at least you have a plan and you can adjust as necessary. And that's pretty much what I do. So all of my entertainment, you will see it here in pink ink. And then I'm gonna be going into the office, which means that I may need additional gas for that. So that's the reason why I want to have that written in here, because I'm going to be driving a little bit more. So that's going to take more for gas. And then, yeah, that's everything for this month. Now, let's go over my priorities. So for the month of February, my priorities will be to use cash. So I'm going to start using cash again. And I'm still in the process of defining how I want that to be, because I use my credit card a lot, because I really enjoy the points and the perks. So I'll share that with you, but I will be using cash. I'm gonna start my savings plan again as well, where I am saving 1 month of bills. Okay, so I'm gonna be starting that. And then I am looking to increase my income big time, because as you can see, I have a lot of money going out and I really need to pay off this debt. So yes. And then on this side here, I have more priorities. So perfecting my system, especially with these new paydays, that's a priority in February. My granddaughter's birthday, pay all my bills for sure, start my savings plan, use cash, increase income, track my spending, and I do want to do a bill review. I want to see if there's anything that I possibly can get rid of. I want to see if there's anything that I can decrease in this time and kind of take it down to a bare bones budget as much as I possibly can. But I'm not interested in totally cutting everything out of my life. So in this channel, I've done it before and I found great success, and I will continue to do it, where I am getting rid of debt, saving money, managing my money, paying my bills, increasing my credit, and glowing up as much as I possibly can. But experiences are important to me, especially based on what I went through last year. Experiences are important, and everything is just not free. It's just unrealistic, and yeah, that's my take on that. I won't go on a tangent. So these are my priorities. These are the things that are important that I get done. And that is pretty much it for now. Make sure that you guys stay tuned, because I am going to be doing a paycheck to paycheck budget. And then also make sure that you guys stay tuned, because I'm going to have like vlogs out and things like that. So I'm really excited to just really dive back in, you guys. I am just super excited. Oh, this should go right here. I'm just super excited to dive back in and really, you know, get back on it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will be more than happy to answer those questions. And for now, that is it. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great, besties. Peace out.
You special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is